qPCR MCN.
Mm-hmm.
So it's in the qPCR MCN. If you were doing GapDH, you would go into the GapDH. So let's see the last reaction we did. That was the most recent. So this is, it looks like this is round 1, like from, because it's primer 15 to 193.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna open round 1 MCN, and this is from May 29th. I'm not sure, but let's see what's in there. Okay, here when this open is, you would go to the work table,
Mm-hmm.
and you would compare. Here you would have the 96 well plate,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the 96 well plate.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the primer mix plate,
Mm-hmm.
and this template mix plate. So this is the primer mix plate, this template mix plate. So this matches with this one. However, you are doing 5 plates, but this one have only 1 plate.
Mm-hmm.
So you would have normally five plates wouldn't fit here. You have to do 4 plates at a time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's so. Let's go back and find one that has 4 plates. And I'm talking like I'm. We did one that had 4 plates. So here it says MCN round 2 4 plates. See 4 plates?
Mm-hmm.
But I need MCN round 1 4 plates. So I'm gonna still stay in the MCN. See, this is round 2 4 plates. I don't see MCN round 1 4 plates. This one says qPCR MCN 4 plates.
Mm-hmm.
And it says all. So let's see that this is from last year. So this one, it seems, so it has qPCR plate 1, 2, and 3, 4. Except this one is not much, because this is not 96 well plate. This is the other one.
The template.
The template mix is not the 96 well plate. This is 96 well plate. This
Okay.
So I'm gonna quickly go back and open the last one, and that I seen round 2 4 plates.
Mm-hmm.
And this is from most recently. Seems this one should have 4 plates. So see,
Mm-hmm.
it has the 296 well plate. So the template mix would go there, the primer mix would go there, and the qPCR plate 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
You have to do the other plate separately.
Okay.
Or actually, you can use for the other plate. You could use this one, single plate.
Okay.
Well, no, not that one. This one, because
Mhm.
remember
It has the primer and template.
Exactly. So let's close this. We don't need this. This one, well, I'm gonna rename it so you could use it for the single plate, and this one we cannot use it because there's no 96 plate here. So close that. So now we have the 4 plates and the 2 and the 1 plate. So that total of 5
Mhm.
plates. What are you saying? Okay. And here, the first, see, once you open this openness, you make sure that everything you have prepared is matching the here.
Mm-hmm.
You have 2 plates and you're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
So here, you're gonna go here, temperature set by Shiloh. So it's basically these 3 plates have temperature. So it's good. This plate doesn't have temperature. It's the farthest, the one on the B3.
Mm-hmm.
So here you have 64. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on this, but I'm gonna save it as today's date.
Mm-hmm.
File, save as, and I'm gonna put MCN round 1.
What about OPN?
Or OPN.
Mm-hmm.
OPN
Mm-hmm.
round 1, and I'm gonna put today's date, which is
10/04.
10/04/13.
Mm-hmm.
Is that correct? Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
And 4 plates.
No, I'm gonna put here. No. I'm gonna put 4 plates,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm gonna put today's date. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So everything is set except you have to put the input change. So you go to next, after the temperature, you go to the next one. So number of samples. Let's see, number of samples you have. So you click on the number of samples you have. This is the primer loading. How many primers you have here? Basically you have 8, 1, 2, 3,
31
Luna plus. So it's normally 32, but you would tell the machine to put 32 because you would leave that blank.
Mm-hmm.
So, like, let's see, now already have 64, right? Let's see what the 64 look like. So 64 looks like, pick it from 8 to 8, see?
Mm-hmm.
This is what 64 looks like. When you change to 32, it's only gonna stop everything here.
F4.
But everything is gonna be loaded like that, exactly, see?
Mm-hmm.
But you don't want that. This is loading 1 to 6.
Mm-hmm. We want 1 to
1
12.
to 12, exactly. So let's change the number to
32.
32. You couldn't do 31. Well, even if you do 31, it's gonna see now. Let's change. What is it? See, change it to this.
Okay.
Don't forget this, but at least you change it to this one.
Yeah.
But even if you do 31, it would change. It would still be because it's the multi-pipette. So here, I'm gonna erase this. So I'm gonna say new pattern, pick it up from here, and go up to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Mm-hmm.
And the next step is
From
row 2.
mm-hmm.
So from 51, see, primer 51
Mm-hmm. That one's gonna go on the bottom.
on the bottom. So it's gonna go here. And this one is gonna go there. You know why it's going there?
Yeah.
Okay, but this is only doing this plate. We don't want to do only one plate. See,
We
now
want-
we
mhm.
want to do all 4 plates.
But aren't you missing one more of the
Yeah,
primers? Okay.
but see, if I do it here and I do this one, now I cannot go back and select this one here. This
Okay.
so what I'm going to do is new pattern, click on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Mm-hmm.
and then do here 12.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing for the other plate.
Okay.
And then go back here.
Done. Mm-hmm.
This is automatically populated.
Does all of them. Okay.
Did you know why you left this blank?
No.
Because every plate you need to load the
Oh, the negative control.
negative control. So this corresponds, 4G corresponds to this much, and see 4G corresponds to this. So this whole row would be empty like you have it here.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna load, and another step we're gonna load this. Okay. This is really gonna be. This is one of the bigger projects that is complex.
Why?
So
Check location. So.
check location is empty. Location what? What's location? 302 location. 302 is here.
Okay.
So check location 13N to 24N is empty.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna put 13N to 24N is should be empty because you don't have anything on G
Mm-hmm.
G8 G7.
Yeah.
And the next one is loading the 302, which is the positive control primer. So now it's 302. After you check that it's empty, you click here pattern. You put the 302 there,
Mm-hmm.
but
12H.
it's easier if you put it there.
Okay.
You know why? Because it's already programmed. Now I can change to here, and it's only adding.
You can leave it there.
Yeah, change it to here, so you will know. If somehow you forget to change, and you could, if it skips, it's gonna load some empty thing, so you could literally hand load 3 microliters of the primer to
on
each from 19 to 32. So I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, the next step is loading the template. So here, The template you prepared, and then how much template do we have? Please tell me. What's the number?
For these,
Yeah.
how much do we have? 8, 13.
So here, each is going to be loaded. For example, 5, 4. It's going to be loaded 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Mhm.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here, let's see what they already have. You can do it one by one like the primer, but you have to do it this way. Each entry, you would have an entry for each. So you would have your loading 54, 58, 61, and 63.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're going to load 54. And 54, unlike the primer that I put 32 there, now I'm putting the number of plates that it's going to.
Mm-hmm.
Because you know the difference is this was sample transfer. See, sample transfer, sample transfer, sample transfer, sample transfer. This is reagent transfer. See, number of samples, reagent transfer.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna put the number of plates it's going to. Earlier I put the primers 32 because it's the number of plates. It's the number of wells it's coming withdrawing. Sorry, but this one is the number of wells it's going to. So I'm gonna put the number of wells it's going to. I know this already. This 3 times 16.
Mm-hmm.
How much is that? Times 2. Okay, never mind. It's already here. It's 93.
Okay.
So I'll change this number to 93. And wait.
It's 93 times 2, right?
Wait, this. Can you hold the camera? Can you put